Today you're going to be looking at the CP7732C Impact Wrench, 610 Newton meters, composite body, makes it nearly a quarter lighter than the previous models and other models on the market. Again, we've got a very compact head. It's even a couple of mils shorter than the metal bodied one. Very simple to use, forward and reverse lever, and then we've got the 2 power settings on the forward direction. I say 3/8 drive or 1/2 inch. On this we've got the air flex coupling. That obviously can be used equally easily as with a hose tail. Rubber grip helps the grip and also keeps it warm, very important. Okay, today we're going to be taking the shock absorbers off my 1974 VW van, so let's get to work.